I'm heading to a cave. It's gonna be a solo mission. That's an entrance right there. But I saw another one over here. I'm gonna go to this one. Just because there's no water flowing out of it. Whoa. This whole cave is flooded. All that snow is melted. Probably flooded the cave. Oh my God. It's too cold. I don't know how far I'm gonna make it in here. Wow, the water has some force over here. It's moving so quick. I don't know if I can do this. This is almost too much. This is literally what I'm dealing with at this point. Like, no extra room for my head or anything. Like, I'm almost breathing in water.